Yo, what's going on, EDM YouTube? So, welcome to another vlog. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Manny. I go by Frisky online. I basically go to a lot of raves, a lot of festivals, and I vlog about them on my channel. And I also have a podcast as well. So today, well, actually this whole weekend, I didn't record day one, but for day two, we are at Grizmas in July. It's over here at Wilmington, North Carolina. I'm being hosted by my beautiful friends, which is crazy because I met them through Radiate like years ago. Super awesome, right? It all ties into like a big old circle. So yeah, yesterday we had Griz, and he did like a surprise set at the beginning, and then we had Lucy and Recno. I mean, fire. And then we went to like an after party. It was like just down the street. Great vibes there too. And today we aren't doing any after parties, but we are going to be doing just Griz. We're going to be doing, I think it's Griz, Jay Wara, and I forget who the other person is. But I'm sure they're going to be great. We're going to be there like as soon as it starts. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the vlog. You doing good, bro?
Fucking fantastic.
You fucking ready?
Fucking ready.
We got our drinks. I don't know what we're waiting for though. Cheers. Cheers. He was taking pictures yesterday, so now he's just fucking living la vida loca today.
Chilling, baby. Chilling.
Gonna go to the regular restrooms, but the porta potties were just way fucking faster. So we saved like 30 minutes. headed to the beach.
In all the rain.
Why would it rain on beach day? Hello, welcome to the vlog. Got some new friends.
Make this shake vibration.
Boys talking down, I got them diamonds in my mouth. Well, it's that
Bitch get toxic.
You in the club and niggas
Endless burns that shit. Order for two for the table, let's pop shit. Missionaire or doggy style on my top shit.